Hey y'all, I'm sure I'm looking a hot mess. I am literally just now waking up. I'm about to work out. I'm thinking about filming it, but we'll see. You'll see. Um, oh gosh, I was so tired last night and so much pain. I didn't even clean this mascara and stuff off my face, so I'm sure I'm looking a mess, but whatever. Um, what was I going to say? Yeah, I'm going to work out. I'm just doing 20 minutes on my bike today with the Peloton app. That's all I got in me for the day, but I need to do more, but I got to recover. I got to do a recovery workout because, like I said, yesterday I was in so much pain, my back, everything. I was just in so much pain, and I was super tired because I didn't get much sleep the night before, but I'm getting ready to get my butt up and do a 20-minute workout, intense workout.
All praises to the Most High. I've been raising my vibration, yoga meditation, just sticking to the basics, living in the matrix.
I'm done with my little 20-minute workout. I told you that's all I had in me. However, it's always the case when I think that all I could get in is a certain amount of minutes. Once I get started, I get energized and I can always do more. But this morning, excuse me, I have something to do. So I'm gonna leave it at the 20-minute workout, but it was a good workout, as you guys can see. I had fun, I always do. I love the Peloton app. I love the instructors. It makes you wanna do. They're so motivated. Sorry about that, y'all. Naima had come in the room, but I was saying that I love the Peloton app. I love all the instructors. They're very motivating. They make you feel good. They make you want to get up and move your body. They motivate you through and encourage you throughout the entire workout. That's all of them. I have my favorites. I won't name who, just in case someone might see this one day. But they're all fantastic no matter what workout you're doing. I use them for the cycling, as you just saw, my resistant bands workouts, Pilates, which I got to get back on. I haven't done Pilates in a couple weeks. Pretty much everything, yoga, meditation, anything that you could think of, Peloton has it. I don't have a Peloton bike or treadmill or anything like that. I will one day, but guess what? You don't need it, because when I was going to the gym on a daily basis, I used the Peloton workouts for treadmills there. So you know who I am. My camera cut out, but like I said, don't be fooled in believing that you need the Peloton equipment. Use what you have, and download the app on your phone, your iPad, or whatever. Gets the job done just the same. One day I might, because I do want to, because I have to use my phone or whatever, to watch the app. But it don't even matter. You're still getting in. You're still getting the same type of training, workout, whatever the case, or whatever it is that you're doing. You don't need it. Do what you do. But anyways, let me get ready. Get my little sweaty self in the shower and get rolling, because I got some things to do. See y'all later. I might see y'all in a minute. I might let y'all watch me get ready. I probably won't talk through it, and I don't do much, especially in the summertime. So anyway, see you in a minute. Alright, y'all, already showered, moisturized my face, and I'll put the products that I use somewhere on the screen that I moisturize my face with. I use pretty much natural products that I either make or buy. I moisturize my body as well using my own, I don't know if you can see that, PrettyGyrl Essentials, and I'll put my website somewhere here. That's what I moisturize my body and fragrance my body with. Now I got my my water infused with aloe vera juice, natural oils and essential oils in it. I'm going to spray my hair and do something to it now. Because this doubles as a hair butter, I'm going to add some of that. I didn't have much of this left, and I don't feel like going to get my other bottle, so I'm going to finish it up with some of this. Okay, getting my scalp. Scalp is skin. And then I'll just come back once my hair is, I have to change the settings on my, hold on my ring light, because that thing is hot. And I told y'all, I already be having hot flashes. I'm a middle-aged woman. I know I don't look like it, but I am. I'm almost 50, y'all. Those of you who don't know. So anyways, I'm just trying to, oh, that's way too much. I don't like to use a lot of gel, but I do want to lay my little frizzy edges down a bit. I try not to use much, especially having locks, but my roots are roots. I have a lot of new growth, so I don't get concerned too much, but at the same time. Anyways, that's pretty much it on my hair. That's all I've really been doing. This has been my go-to look for some time now. I think I said in a previous video, I decided not to, as far as my locks go, retwist so often, so you see a lot of new growth, and I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna let my locks do what they're gonna do, and I'll retwist every probably few months, because again, I'm using my phone, y'all, so it looks like I'm looking that way. The lens is actually right here, but it's hard, you know, I'm looking at myself. But anyways, I'm just gonna let it do what it do and just retwist my hair every probably few months or so, or as I feel that it's needed, because my retwists don't hold, especially because I work out, and like as mentioned, probably the texture of my hair too. I don't know. Side note, is this thing recording? Yes, it is. Side note, I have a naturally round face, chubby cheeks and all that, and I got a little bit of chin, which is going to be taken care of. But I realized too that this camera makes me look thicker in the body. I think that's normal though. On video, you look thicker, and but makes my face look fuller too, because as I look in the mirror, my face isn't as full in the mirror as it is on camera. But that's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to put my little bit of makeup on, and I don't do much. I just do some concealer because I've been kind of dark under the eyes lately, not getting enough rest. Warm up my skin with bronzer, lip gloss, mascara, boom. So I'll be back. Hello, my beautiful people. PrettyGyrl Essentials LLC is having yet another sale, a summer sale. 15% off of everything in our online shop and on our already marked down items and products, which includes our very popular whipped hair, beard, and body butters, but also our PGE brand apparel and accessories too. Get up on this. Everything is already marked down, so come on over and save an additional 15% on your total purchase from now till the end of July. We'll see you there. I'm about to get started. I'm running low on time for what I have to do today, so I'm gonna just stop talking and do what I gotta do. Okay. This, by the way, is Peach Corrector by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and that's just to cancel out some of the darkness. And I use the peach for me because I'm a lighter skin tone. I'm just gonna tap that in and let it sit for a minute. But I said I wasn't going to talk through this, but I'll come in every so often. Again, I have to remember to look here to let y'all know what I'm doing. In the meantime, I'm going to brush these off. Oh, I have micro shaded brows, but I have also very thin natural brows, so I tend to take a bit of mascara, and that's why I powdered them. I take a bit of mascara and just oop, that's way too much, y'all. Brush some of that off. I take a bit of mascara. I'll clean it up after a while, no worries. I take a bit of mascara and bring my brows out. Looking better already. I take the excess and put it on my lids. Press that on that. Take a little bit of powder, the Sacha, and then lightly, because I don't like to look cakey. Again, I have older skin. Therefore, I got little fine lines, little slight fine lines. I was blessed with genetics as far as decent skin is concerned. But at the same time, it will cake up, and that's not what I wanted to do because, you know, first of all, I'm not going for a heavy look. I don't do heavy makeup anymore. I never really have. I would do it for the videos in previous times, but generally speaking, in real life, I don't wear a lot. So, and I'll spray this once I'm done with my whole face, you know. And I decided that instead of doing a bronzer, I'm just going to take this. This is a blush by MAC. I can't even see the name, y'all, because I can't see any words without my glasses, and that's a shame, but whatever. I'll put it there somewhere. But I decided to just put a bit of blush on my cheeks instead. It seems like I can't see. It might be my lighting and settings that I have. But again, not much. I just like to warm up my skin a bit. And don't worry about what it looks like now. You gotta trust the process. I'm just going for a natural summer glow. I'm not going to put it around my perimeter as I would normally do with bronzer, because I'm just running some errands. And guess what, y'all? Sometimes, and it's okay, I'll take the same thing and put it on my my lids as well, just to warm up my skin. That's all I do in the summertime, because it's too damn hot, especially in the DC area right now, to be putting heavy crap on your face. And I don't wear foundation at all unless I'm going to some type of event or something like that, and even then I don't typically wear it. I'll just bronze up my skin, do the mascara and all that kind of stuff, but not today. So yeah, then I'll take this Sephora micro smooth. I told you I can't see without my glasses. This is in shade, I don't know, because I can't see it. Again, I'll put it somewhere there. Actually, I'm gonna use the darker one, but I'll put both in the description as well as on the screen. But I'll take this. This might be too dark, y'all. Just to balance it out, so I won't be looking too whatever. Just so to have a smooth transition and won't look too and then I'll do it here as well. I mean, this is what I do, especially when I'm in a hurry, y'all. And I'll give y'all a real situation. like get ready with me or whatever another time. I am like in a hurry because as I look at the clock, yeah, I'm not working with a lot of time right now, so that's why I'm rushing through it. So yeah, and then I'll take my handy dandy trusty rose water and glycerin spray. And spray my face to set it all in, and also to give me that dewy glow. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, put my mascara on, put my clothes on, and then I'll come back to end it. Okay, y'all, we have come to the end of this video. I just wanted to show you guys my quick little workout, or what I do on days when I do a quick workout when I'm not feeling my greatest or whatever like that. I just get on my bike and do no less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes is good. Just move your body. That's all it takes. Is 20 minutes. If you want to do more, then do more. If that's all you can do, then that's good too. At least you did it, right? So, yeah. I'm done getting myself together. Got my little simple, no makeup look going on. My little go-to hair do for my locks. And Apple Watch, Tiffany bracelet, earrings, shirt from Old Navy, gray sweats from the Gap, I think, or Target. I can't remember. And yeah. Nothing special. I just have errands to run, so I just threw on whatever. But still wanted to look cute. What else? I think that's it. So, but I do have one question. 49 where? 49 where? 49 where? I'm 49, y'all. And thank goodness for genetics, because my mom was a beautiful woman. She passed away 5 years ago at the age of 74. She did not look her age at all. If I could throw in some pictures, I will. If not, don't worry about it. You'll see her. Not see her, but you'll see pictures, I'm sure, in future ones, future videos. But in the meantime, I'm out. Oh yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, be nice. It don't cost you a thing to subscribe or to like. So hit the like on that thing, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bells, because I said I'm going to be more consistent this time around. And so y'all, subscribe, grow with your girl, watch my journey. You know, I'm on a weight loss and fitness journey. I'm on the road to a tummy tuck procedure in a few months. So follow me and watch my progress, watch my growth, grow with me. And yeah, in the meantime, let me go. Peace.